Well, it's been a while since my last video, but I haven't had much to post that's interesting. So I decided to order some defense rounds from Corbon, and when they came I was shocked because it seems like they're using a different bullet design than what's even on the box there. As you can see, that hollow point is just a little bit different than what it shows right there on the box. So I haven't seen any videos of their new hollow points expansion. I've seen no tests, but as you can see, this was just ordered a few weeks ago, and it's 2022. And that is the 9mm 115 grain jacketed hollow point plus P, and traveling at 1,350 feet per second. I shot it out of a slightly smaller gun, so I don't expect it got to that velocity. But let's go ahead and move on to the actual test.
So this is our chicken target. We have a Sanderson Farms chicken, a gallon jug of water, backed up by two that are separated a little bit, so it might catch it if it strays off. And then at the very end, we have some fleece. And to make it kind of FBI-ish, 2 layers of denim over the front as well. All right. Let's check it out. All right, looks like it hit much where I want it to go. And oh, look, the bullet didn't make it all the way through. Seemed to have, I don't know, gone through and maybe just bounced off. Not sure. But wow, look at the back of that chicken. That was gross. All right. Oh, there's the bullet.
So, here's our after-action report on the bullets. And I know that test wasn't exactly up to, say, FBI standards, but there was 2 layers of denim there, and it did not plug the hollow point of the Corbon bullet. And for comparison here, I had my buddy shoot a 147 grain HST from Federal, or Winchester, not sure which. But there is the HST bullet right next to the Corbon bullet. Now the Corbon bullet did separate from the jacket, and the HST fired through the same exact test medium did not. But you can see they're about the same diameter. The expansion, that is. So here's what it looks like afterward. If the bullet separating from the jacket is a big deal to you, then you might not want to use this ammunition. And honestly, I didn't fire 2 rounds into it to test if that was going to happen every time. So this might just be a one-off. But I wanted to do this test to check out that new bullet design to see if it would get plugged. And I haven't seen anybody else do a test on it. So there you go. It doesn't get plugged as far as I can tell. It does expand, but if that jacket separating is a big deal to you, you might want to use something like an HST. Myself personally, I feel pretty comfortable using it as a defensive load. Both these were shot out of a 3-inch barreled P365X. So just a heads up with that too. Hope you all have a good day, and hope this is informative.